Long-term care residents rushed into ambulances couldn't fully convey the horror inside long-term care homes. Overcrowded rooms, insufficient staffing, and a virus running rampant. The Auditor General says neither the government nor the long-term care sector itself was sufficiently prepared for the pandemic or equipped to respond. In fact, some patients with COVID-19 at first were transferred into long-term care homes.
I would say there could have been more clarity and guidance. The safety of residents in the long-term care homes needs to be considered.
The government acknowledges long-term care should have played a bigger role in the initial healthcare response.
We have to have a much better integrated system where long-term care is seen to be part of the healthcare sector as a whole.
And there were unintended consequences. Families were kept from visiting to curb the spread of the virus, but, says the report, it had the effect of further limiting care providers. Maureen McDermott could only wave to her ailing mother inside.
Families bring in that attachment and that connection that's absolutely necessary. And the worst part for a child, I think, is to have their parents suffer in any way.
The report questioned a government decision to discontinue comprehensive inspections of long-term care homes to deal with a years-long backlog of complaints. On most findings, however, the minister blamed the previous Liberal government.
I'm here to try and fix long-term care. But if the building's on fire and you're running into it to try and save people, yeah, I think that's pretty much what we tried to do. But we didn't start the fire.
Advocates say the current government must accept its share of responsibility.
We knew that long-term care was going to be most susceptible, and this government stubbornly refused to take care of our most vulnerable.
The Auditor General says there has to be greater accountability, and it can be demonstrated by ensuring seniors will be cared for appropriately in the future. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.